Hi, welcome to Stone Chiropractic, where health comes naturally.
The next thing we would do is the heart sound recorder, and we would take the patient's blood pressure, check her oxygen level, and then just place this microphone over certain areas on her chest to record the sounds of the heart.
The heart sound recorder utilizes a very sensitive microphone to measure the sounds of the heart. When we're looking at the graphing that comes out of the heart sound recorder, that helps us determine nutritional supplementation that individual may need.
I'm Dr. Mark Stone, and this is where health comes naturally.